If you've ever tried to capture a bird mid-flight, zoom in on a mountain peak, or film wildlife from a safe distance, you know the power of a super zoom camera. In 2025, we tested 5 of the most talked about models, from pocket-sized beasts to full-blown zoom cannons, and today we're breaking down which ones actually deliver. Whether you're a travel vlogger, nature photographer, or just want insane reach without the bulk of a DSLR setup, this list is for you. We kicked things off with the Nikon COOLPIX P1000, and let's just say, this thing is ridiculous in the best way. With a jaw-dropping 125x optical zoom, you can literally film the moon's craters, or catch a bird perched on a cliff a kilometer away. We tested it on a wildlife trail, and the stabilization held up shockingly well even at full zoom. You get 4K video, RAW format, a rotating LCD, and Wi-Fi connectivity. It's bulky, yes, but if you want reach, nothing else comes close. Check the description for the P1000 link and best prices. It's the camera that turns distant dreams into detailed reality. Next, we took the Canon PowerShot SX70 on a road trip, and it quickly became our go-to for handheld zoom shots. With 65x optical zoom and a 20.3 megapixel sensor, it's perfect for travel creators who want serious range without lugging around a massive rig. The 4K video is crisp, and the tilt screen made it easy to shoot from awkward angles. It's lighter than the P1000, and the autofocus was snappy even in low light. Tap the description to grab the SX70. It's the best zoom companion for creators on the move. Then we tested the Panasonic LUMIX FZ1002, and wow, this one's a sleeper hit. It's got a 16 times zoom range with a 25 to 400mm Leica lens, and the image quality is stunning. We used it for both video and stills, and the 4K footage had that cinematic edge thanks to Panasonic's color science. The autofocus is fast, the stabilization is solid, and the build feels premium. It's not the longest zoom here, but it's easily the most balanced for hybrid shooters. Hit the description for the FZ1002 link. It's the camera that makes zoom look like art. Now, if you want something compact, but still powerful, the Sony RX107 is a beast in disguise. We tested it in street photography, travel vlogging, and even some wildlife shots, and it crushed every scenario. With a 1.0 type stacked CMO sensor and a 24 to 200mm zoom range, it's not a super zoom in reach, but it's unbeatable in speed, autofocus, and image quality. Real-time eye tracking, 4K HDR video, and burst shooting make it feel like a pro camera in your pocket. Check the description for the RX107 link. It's the stealthy shooter that creators swear by. Finally, we tested Canon's entry-level point-and-shoot with a 3.0-inch LCD, and it's a great pick for casual users. It's easy to use, lightweight, and delivers decent zoom for everyday moments, family trips, quick vlogs, or spontaneous snapshots. It won't compete with the big zoom monsters, but for under 30,000 rupees, it's a solid starter cam. Tap the description for the Canon point and shoot link. It's the everyday camera that just works. From moonshots to street scenes, these super zoom cameras offer something for every kind of creator. We tested them all, and each one brings a unique strength to the table. Drop a comment with your favorite, and let us know what you're shooting in 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for all the product links and best prices. See you in the next one.